Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up an alarm in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up alarm, we have to go to the clock application in our menu here, clock, and here is our alarm. Simply tap it once, and here we have hours, minutes. We can choose whatever days we want. We can set a name, save, and now our alarm will be ringing at this time. We can also change sound. Yes, allow please. And just back out. And now our alarm is set. Save. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.